Changing your voice in Discord, Android Edition.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about an exciting topic: how to change your voice while using Discord on your Android device. Yes, you've heard it right. You can alter your voice to add a fun or strategic element to your chats and games. Let's dive in.
Is it possible to change my voice in Discord?
Yes, it is possible to change your voice in Discord. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Discord doesn't provide a built-in voice changer feature. But don't worry, you can still change your voice by using third-party applications specifically designed for this purpose.
How can I use a third-party voice changer with Discord?
To use a third-party voice changer with Discord on your Android device, follow these general steps. 1. Download a voice changer app from the Google Play Store. Some popular choices include VoiceMod, RoboVox Voice Changer, and Voice Changer with Effects. 2. Install and open the Voice Changer app. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. This may include access to your microphone. 3. Choose your desired voice effect in the app. You might be able to sound like a robot, an alien, a celebrity, or anything else, depending on the app you're using. 4. Open Discord while your voice changer app is running. Join a voice channel or start a voice chat. 5. Your voice should now be modified according to the effect you chose in the voice changer app. Please note, the exact process may vary slightly depending on the voice changer app you choose.
What should I be aware of?
Remember, while voice changing can be fun, it's crucial to use this feature responsibly. Misusing a voice changer to deceive or harass others is against Discord's community guidelines and can lead to account suspension. Always ensure that your fun doesn't infringe on others' enjoyment of the platform. Also, be aware that running a voice changer app in the background while using Discord may increase your device's battery usage. And that's how you can change your voice on Discord using your Android device. By using a third-party app, you can add a new level of fun to your Discord chats and games. Remember, the goal is always to enhance enjoyment, never to deceive or disturb others. We hope this guide has been helpful, and enjoy your newly modified voice.